our weekend recap. Then this is our, what do you call this one? Our overview guys. 25.5k, and then our content. And our 7.9k. Audience. This is it, our audience. Then we go to the next. Our popular with new viewers. This is it. Thank you so much, guys. We go down. This is it. Mobile, computer, tablet, TV. More on watching on mobile. More watching of my video, guys, is male. They have 53.5%, and for the female, we have 46.5%. And user is specified. No. Wow, thank you so much, my friend. Why, thank you so much. I don't know what that one is down. This is my overview. This is it. The new viewers for 28 days in my short. I got 22.5k. For my live stream, I got 3.3k. And my videos, I have 268. I don't have too much video. We have 17.6 for what this one. For my short video. Wow. Congrats, self. This is my publish for 28 days in my short. I have 87.34. My live stream in my videos 24 only. Okay, I make more video. And I make live. This is my top remix. Short last 28 days, nothing. That's my, and this one here, this one, 1.1k viewers. What this one? For my video, this is my result. Up and down my result, guys. But anyway, can I say my hard work? can I show my videos to my viewers and my new subscribers. And thank you so much to all my friends to help Annie PH Vlogs. Oh, I go to my YouTube. Can I go my YouTube? This is my YouTube. And now guys, we have subscribed 3,352, and thank you so much guys for support my channel. And that's it, my analytics on this week. And again, thank you so much. This is Annie PH, and more power. God bless us all. This is my analytic of my YouTube channel. And thank you, and more power. God bless us all.